What's up, guys? Welcome to another video here at Kdwaterwoods. Today I'm going to be cleaning some channel catfish that I caught down there at the homestead. Y'all seen the video. Now we got to get them cleaned up and ready for our cookout this weekend. So stay with me. I'm going to clean these bad boys up. So I'm going to do this big one the same way. I'm going to come right here behind this gill plate. Right through here. Right through there. Let's get him out. Might be a little tougher, he's pretty big. It's a good sized cat for our pond. These are, we catch them, I've caught them bigger than this, but this is a real nice one. I'm gonna fillet him out and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fillet him. He's getting good. Again, I'll take this top fin. I'll take it off. Got belly skin. Ooh, he's skint, just that easy, y'all. Like I said, when I dehead him, I just come behind the head here, break the bone, and then there's a pretty good amount of meat right through here. So I'll come as close as I can up in here. I won't show that, but that's the way I do it. All right, y'all, there's my big catfish. A lot of meat on this fish. I'm gonna cut my wings off. I always tell y'all about my wings. Now, I will keep these because they got a good amount of meat on them. So I'm gonna keep these wings here. I'm gonna slip that in my hand. So those two actually got a pretty good amount of meat on them, so I'll keep those. Bigger catfish, I'll keep them. Smaller ones, I don't keep them. All right, so I'm gonna show you how I fillet this thing. Y'all seen my videos before. Y'all seen how I fillet catfish. You fillet a fish just about like you do any other fish. Go right down that backbone, all the way to the end. Just keep going, all the way to that rib cage, all the way down the backbone. Just like that. And I'm gonna come right along that rib cage, just like that. Boom! Look at that big old slab of cat. Good stuff. Good stuff. On this one side, what I'll do, sometimes I'll do it just like this. And you got that big old slab there, and then you'll come through here, and you get that big old slab of meat right there. There's so many different ways that people fillet their fish. Some of y'all might watch this video and go, what in the world is he doing? Well, I had to teach myself how to fillet fish. So, I do it in different ways, y'all. So don't hit me too hard on the comments. But I get it done, just like that. And then I'll come with this piece. And there's some meat on here, I'll keep all that too. So like this piece right here, I'll cut it in half, like that. You got a good piece of cat there. And then this piece, you see it's got some people call it a bloodline, right through the middle. And boom, you got two pieces of cat there. That's what we call catfish nuggets. 3 pieces there. And you got this one big solid piece here. Now what I'll do with this is I'll go right down the middle, just like that. Guys, sorry I had a little bit of camera malfunction, but what I got here is my last strip of this catfish fillet, and I'm just gonna make me some catfish nuggets, just like that. Look, off that one flag, I got 6 nuggets. Absolutely wonderful. Got a half a bucket full over there. Now, come back with my butcher knife. And I'm gonna cut this bad boy the best I can because my mama loves the back. This table ain't very sturdy, so I keep banging on it like I want to. But we get it done. My mom loves that piece right there, y'all. She loves it. So I'll make sure I get it for y'all. Pop it just like that. Look there. Look at all that meat on that piece. It's a great piece of fish. There's even meat on that, so I'll fry that as well. So there it is, y'all. Very simple catfish. Catfish to me are not that hard to clean. Takes a little bit more time, a little more effort, but they're not hard to clean. So guys, there it is. Very simple, very easy way to clean your catfish. That's the way I clean mine. The bigger they get, the different technique you might use. But to me, catfish aren't that hard to clean. Of course, the bigger they get, sometimes the tougher the skin is to get off. And you just got to work on it and pull on it and use a little elbow grease to get it off. But nonetheless, they're not that hard to clean. And to me, they're not as messy because you don't have scales flying everywhere. But anyway. So we come up with a half a gallon of fillets ready to rock and roll. And y'all, if you don't have one of these, it's the Outdoor Edge Game Professor. This thing is awesome. I'm not sponsored by these people by no means, so don't get me wrong. I just really like this kit. This kit has everything you need: a caper, a skinner, a bone-in fillet, and a butcher. It has a knife sharpener. It comes with a cutting board. It comes with gloves. It's got a saw in it. It's got shears in it. It's got a little holding fork or whatever you want to call that thing. But I mean, and it's got a spreader for like ribs on hogs or deer or whatever. Gloves. I got some extra gloves in here. But it's really, really cool kit. So if you don't have one, do yourself a favor and go pick you one up. Honestly, I think I got mine on Amazon. I think that's where I ordered it from. But you can go to their website. Don't quote me on this, but I think Bass Pro and Academy and places like that have these things as well. Go pick you one up. You'll love it, I promise you. So we're done with the cleaning. I hope you got something out of that video. If nothing else, I just hope it was entertaining seeing me butcher a fish. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, here at Kdwaterwoods. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you go check us out on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Truth Social, and GETTR at Kdwaterwoods. And don't forget to go over there and check us out at Drawdy RC, the little hobby me and Dad do with the RC planes. A lot of fun, a lot of great stuff over there. So make sure you go smash that subscribe button as well. And until next time, guys, thanks so much for the support at Kdwaterwoods. Spread the word about Kdwaterwoods. And until next time, we'll see you guys later.